Hi dear students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. In the previous class we completed our second lesson, that is the cat seller and the monkeys. The cat seller and the monkeys. Who were the characters in this story? Gopal was a character, he is a cat seller and he had no other means to earn money. So he decided to sell caps. He walked from village to village to sell his caps. Okay, one day while he was traveling to a long distance, after traveling for a long distance, Gopal feel uneasy or feel sleepy. So then it was a journey through the forest, and in the forest, in the middle of the forest, he saw a huge banyan tree, and the shade was very inviting to him. And he sat under the tree, and suddenly he fell asleep. There was a family of monkeys living in that tree, and one of the little monkey came down and it silently walked towards Gopal and finds that Gopal is sleeping. What did the little monkey do? The little monkey, the baby monkey, take a cap from the bundle. There was a bundle. Gopal is carrying caps in a bundle and he carried it on his head. And the baby monkey took out a cap from the bundle and put on his head and he climbed up the tree. Monkeys are in the habit of imitating things, and all the monkeys in the tree came down and took out all the caps from the bundle. While Gopal get up, what did he see? He saw that there were no caps and the bundle was not there. The bundle was not there. There was a sheet of cloth. There was a piece of cloth. Then Gopal looked upward and see all the monkeys were wearing his caps. Then what did he do? He understood what had happened, and then he tried to shoo the monkeys away, but they did not mind him. At that time, what did Gopal do? Gopal shouted at them. Then they shouted back. Then Gopal understood that the monkeys are in the habit of imitating. So he's a cunning man, he's a clever man. So he take down his cap, removed his own cap and put it in throw it in the ground. Same the monkeys did. All the monkeys removed their cap and put it in the ground. When Gopal collected or gathered all the caps and he made a bundle and walked away from there. He made the bundle of caps and carried it on his head and he walked away from there. Okay. Then next is the story of Keshav. Keshav is the grandson of Gopal. Who is Keshav? Keshav is the grandson of Gopal. He is also doing the same profession of Gopal. What was the profession of Gopal? Gopal was selling caps like that. In the same way, here Keshav is also selling caps. Keshav is also walking from village to village to sell caps. After many years, Gopal's grandson is Keshav. Then so many years passed, and after many years, Keshav is also carrying caps on his head in a bundle, and he walked through that same forest. And when the time became afternoon, he became very sleepy. He feels sleepy, and what did Keshav do? Keshav also sat down under a huge banyan tree, and it was coincidentally it happened, accidentally it happened. It was the same banyan tree where Gopal sat at the time. Okay. Then Keshav sat under the tree and suddenly he fell asleep. All the monkeys did the same thing. They came down and they took out the caps from the bundle and they wore the caps, W-O-R-E, wear past tense wore the caps, and now the monkeys were on the tree. Now the monkeys were on the tree, and what happened? When Keshav woke up from his sleep, he did not find any caps. He did not find any caps. He looked upward and understood what had happened. Then what did he do? He remembered about the story his grandfather Gopal told to him. He removed his cap and threw into the ground. Then what happened? Nothing happened. The monkeys did not imitate his action. The monkeys did not imitate Keshav's action. Why? One of the old monkey told him that Keshav, even our grandfather had told us the same story. Our grandfathers commit a mistake. They told the story to us. Okay, this is the story. Do you understand understood the story and you are very much interested to read that story. I hope all of you read the text so many times. Today we are going to do the comprehension. First one is vocabulary ladder. First one is vocabulary ladder. Listen, all of you take page number 30. Page number 30. First one is meanings. 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 Okay. First word imitate. IMITATE. Listen to the first word imitate. IMITATE. What is the meaning of imitate? Repeat someone's behavior to mimic. Repeat. REPEAT. Repeat someone's behavior. Someone's behavior. Someone apostrophe S. Someone's behavior. Behavior. Behavior to mimic. Mimic means anukarikkuka. To mimic. If one boy jumped over the fence, what will the other boys do? They will also imitate him. Imitate. They do whatever the others do. That is imitating, mimicking, imitating. Okay, that is imitating. Repeat someone's behavior. Repeat someone's actions to mimic them, imitate them. Profession, an occupation to earn money. Profession. Next word is profession. 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 What is the meaning of profession? An occupation. 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 An occupation. Job. Occupation means job. An occupation to earn money. To earn money. To earn. EARN. Earn money. What is the meaning of earn? EARN. Earn. How do you understand by the word earn? സമ്പാദിക്കുക. To earn money for a living. ഒരു ജീവിതത്തിന് വേണ്ടി സമ്പാദിക്കുക. Okay. Then next one. Try to make sentences above the above given words. Okay. Imitate. This is the meaning. But sentence making. Next second is sentence making. Use your pencils to write in the text. Don't use your pens. Okay. Imitate. Monkeys have a habit of imitating. Monkeys. MONKEYS. Monkeys have a habit of, or monkeys imitate. IMITATE. Monkeys imitate human beings. HUMAN. Human beings. Okay. Which is the sentence made by the word imitate? Monkeys imitate human beings. IMITATE. Imitate. Monkeys imitate human beings. Okay. Monkeys imitate human beings. That is the word imitate. Okay. Next one. Profession. Profession means the job to earn money. An occupation to earn money. Keshav is Keshav. KESHAV. Keshav is doing the profession of profession. PROFESSION. Keshav is doing the profession of his grandfather. 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 FATHER. Keshav is doing the profession of his grandfather. Keshav is doing the same profession as his grandfather. Here the sentence is Keshav. KESHAV. Keshav is doing. DOING. profession, Profession, profession of his grandfather. Keshav is doing the profession of his grandfather. First one, imitate monkeys, imitate human beings. Monkeys imitate human beings. I hope all of you wrote this with your pencils and read it once again. You please listen. Imitate monkeys, imitate human beings. Next one, profession. Keshav is doing the profession of his grandfather. Keshav is doing the profession of his grandfather. Next one, tick the correct answers. Keshav was a dash, cap seller, milkman. Which option is correct? Keshav was a cap seller. Keshav was a cap seller. First option is correct. You tick the correct first option. You put a tick mark near the corner of the first option. Next one, he took rest under a dash, pipal tree, banyan tree. Which one is correct? Banyan tree. Which is the correct option? Banyan tree, second one. Then Keshav recollected what his dash had told him. Father, grandfather. Which is the correct option? Grandfather. Put a tick mark near the column of second option. Grandfather. Next one, monkeys have a habit of imitating talking. Which one is correct? Imitating. Did you have you done your work fully? I will read that 4 sentences correctly. You please listen to your text. Keshav was a cap seller. First sentence. Keshav was a cap seller. Next one. He took rest under a banyan tree. He took rest under a banyan tree. Next one. Keshav recollected what his grandfather had told him. Keshav recollected what his grandfather had told him. Next one, monkeys have a habit of imitating. Monkeys have a habit of imitating. Okay. Next, page number 31. All of you take page number 31. Happy-go-lucky. What do these two lines mean? History repeats itself. These are proverbs. Happy-go-lucky. History repeats itself. Okay, next statement is listening and speaking. Everyone has a unique habit. Keshav always whistled. What is the habit of Keshav? Keshav always whistled. He is a young man. He is a smart man. And he had a habit of whistling all the time. He had a habit of whistling. Monkeys like to imitate others. Tell your friends 2 unique habits about yourself. Okay, what are the qualities you have? I am asking. Some of you have been Rajesh. Then all the people, all the students in class 2nd will tell me what are your habits in WhatsApp. Okay, you in WhatsApp I expect your answer. I expect your answers. You should give me an answer in WhatsApp. What is your habit? You can call me and say what is your habit. Okay. Then writing section. Look at the pictures. Write 2 sentences from the story related to the picture. First one, a person is lying and he is sleeping under a tree, and he saw a cap there. Then he is walking towards that. Then a monkey is wearing a cap, and the monkey is sitting on a branch, and the boy is going away from there. The boy is going away from there. Okay. That we can do in the WhatsApp. Okay. All of you please listen here. Next one. Conjunctions. Grammar power. Page number 32. Conjunctions. C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S. Conjunctions. Conjunctions. C-T-I-O-N-S. What do you mean by conjunction? What is conjunction? What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a connecting word or joining word. What is a conjunction? Connecting words or joining words. C-O-N-N-E-C-T-I-N-G. Connecting words or joining words. Conjunctions are connecting words or joining, joining words. Conjunctions are connecting words or joining words. Conjunctions are connecting words or joining words. Conjunctions or joining words connect words or group of words in a sentence. They are connecting words. They connect two nouns, two verbs, etc. They connect a part of a sentence. They connect two parts of a sentence like that. They connect phrases, then noun phrases, etc. Some commonly used conjunctions are and, but, or. Which are the conjunctions we are going to study? And is a conjunction. Then but is another conjunction. Then or is another conjunction. And is used to join two things. And is used to join two similar things, similar ideas. And but is used to join two opposite ideas. And is used to join similar ideas or similar things. But is used to join opposite ideas or opposite things. Okay. Example, the bird can fly, the bird can hop. Okay, look at the example one. The bird can fly, the bird can fly. This is the one sentence. Then the second sentence is the bird can hop. These are two independent sentences. We can make it one sentence. We can join these two sentences using a single conjunction. The bird can answer. The bird can. These are two similar ideas. That means it can fly, it can hop. The bird can fly and hop. Fly and hop. The bird can fly and hop. Next one. He hit the ball, he dropped the bat. Second one. He hit the ball, he hit the ball. Then next sentence. He dropped the bat. He dropped B-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped the bat. He hit the ball, he dropped the bat. How can we join these two opposite ideas? These are not similar ideas, these are opposite ideas. He hit the ball, that is one idea. Then he dropped the bat, that is another idea. He hit the ball but dropped the bat. But is used to join opposite ideas. The sentence will become he hit the ball, but dropped the bat. B-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped the bat. He hit the ball but dropped the bat. One more example is there. We can eat pizza. We can eat a burger. We can eat pizza. Third example. We can eat pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. We can eat pizza. Next sentence. We can eat burger. We can eat a pizza. Then we can eat a burger. Second sentence. We can eat a burger. Okay. We can eat a pizza. We can eat a burger. The sentence will become we can eat a pizza. Same ideas. We can eat a pizza or a burger. A pizza a pizza or a burger. We can eat a pizza or a burger. We can eat a pizza or a burger. The connecting words or joining words conjunctions we are going to study are and, but, and, or. Listen here, the first one. The bird can fly. The bird can hop. The bird can fly and hop. Which is the conjunction used here? And is the connecting word. In the second set of sentences, he hit a ball, he dropped a ball. Opposite ideas. He hit the ball but dropped the bat. Okay. Third one, we can eat pizza. Either we can eat pizza or we can eat a burger. We can choose from that. We can eat a pizza or a burger. Which are the connecting words or conjunctions we studied here? And, but, or. Which are the conjunctions? And, but, or. Okay. Next one, complete the sentence with the correct conjunction. Complete the sentence with the correct conjunction. Okay, first one is, she says that she loves her dog, dash, she never plays with it. She says that she loves her dog. That is her attitude. She loves her dog, dash, she never plays with it. She loves her dog, but she never plays with it. In the first sentence you write but, B-U-T, but, B-U-T, but. She loves her dog very much, but she did not play with it. She never plays with it. Next one, Mom said we must wash the dishes, dash, clean our room. Mom said, mother said, we must wash the dishes. Similar ideas. We must wash the dishes, dash, clean our room. We must wash the dishes and clean our room. And second one, and clean our room. Mom said, we must wash the dishes and clean our room. He took me to the shop, dash, bought me a new dress. He took me to the shop and bought me a new dress. And third one, and he took me to the shop and bought me a new dress. I feel sick, dash, I can still walk. I feel sick. Which is the conjunction used here? Which conjunction we can use there? I feel sick, but I can still walk. I feel sick. എനിക്ക് സുഖമില്ല എങ്കിലും എന്നാലും I can still walk. But fourth one, but, B-U-T, but. Then 5. I am not sure. It is a monkey. I am not sure. Is it a monkey or a cat? I am not sure. I have no evidence. Is it a monkey or a cat? Or. Which is the conjunction used there? Or. Fifth one, or. Are you writing in the text? Use your pencils to write in the text. I am not sure. Is it a monkey or a cat? Next one. Sixth one. Lisa, dash, Mary are dancing. Which conjunction can we use there? Lisa and Mary are dancing. Sixth one, and. Lisa and Mary are dancing. A-N-D, and. Next, seventh one. She is rich, dash, she is not happy. She is rich, but she is not happy. She is rich, anyway she is rich, but she is not happy. Money is not the thing that decides the happiness. That brings the happiness. Money is not a matter of happiness, to decide happiness. Okay, which is the conjunction used there? She is rich, but she is not happy. Seventh one, the conjunction is but. Isn't the border right? But. The next one, would you like tea, dash, coffee? You can prefer from that. You can choose from that. Would you like tea or coffee? Or eighth one, would you like tea or coffee? Okay. You please listen to your best. I will read that sentences once again. You please listen. First one. She says that she loves her dog, but she never plays with it. Second one. Mom said we must wash the dishes and clean our room. Third one, he took me to the shop and bought me a new dress. Fourth one, I feel sick but I can still walk. Then next one, I am not sure, is it a monkey or a cat? Lisa and Mary are dancing. She is rich but she is not happy. Would you like a tea or coffee? Okay. Next one is pronunciation. Pronunciation means how do we pronounce that word? How do the word sounds when we utter it? That is pronunciation. Next segment is pronunciation. First one. A rhyme is a repetition of similar sounds or the same sound in two or more words. Rhyme means in two or more than two words, there may be a similar sounding either in the end or at the beginning. That is rhyming words. Read these words aloud. Wool, full, dance, lands, wall, all. Find the rhyming words for the word given below. Bake, which is the rhyming word there? Words given are fight, bug, boil, fake. Which is the rhyming word? Bake, fake. First set. Bake, then fake. F-A-K-E. The last sounds are the same sounds. The last part are the same pronunciation. Bake, fake. The next one, grab, grab. Second set, crab, C-R-A-B, crab, grab, G-R-A-B, grab. C-R-A-B, crab, then G-R-A-B, grab. Okay. The next one, I value life segment. This is a conversation between a cab seller and the fairy tale. The cab seller and the monkey is a folk tale. Folk tale means folk tale. People, long ago in olden times, people used to say stories. These stories are becoming prevailing in the society by words, not written stories, folklore. Then these story folk tale, and there are many types of stories, fairy tales. A story that has magical characters and magic in it, that is fairy tales. Different kinds of stories are mentioned here. What is a fairy tale? A story that has magical characters of fairies or angels are called fairy tales. Fairy tale means, what is a fairy tale? A fairy tale means a story that has magical characters. The story of Jim Pumbaa, then the story of Aladdin, that are fairy tales. Fairy means magical characters. The story of Ariel, like that. Fable. Fable means moral stories that have animals as characters. Aesop's fables are there. Some moral stories, Panchatantra stories are there. These are called fables. F-A-B-L-E-S. That means moral stories. Fables means moral stories. Folktale means, fairy tale means a story that are having magical characters, and fables means stories that have a moral and animal characters. Stories that have a moral and animal characters. Then legend is is an ancient story that is not true. Legend, Idihasam. It is an ancient story, old day stories, but that is not true. Legend, imaginative stories, imagination. Then fiction, not fact. Modern story, not true. Fiction, not fact, but fiction, the imagination of authors. The imagination of authors, AUTHORS. Imagination of the people who write the story. Imaginative stories. Then fact, a true story. Fact means truth. Fact means a true story, truth. Then mythology, stories associated with a culture. Mythological stories, that means Hindus have some mythological stories, then Christians have some other mythological stories, then Muslims also have some other mythological stories. Then which are the different types of stories mentioned here? Fairy tale, a story that has magical characters and magic in it. Fables, then moral stories that have animal characters. Legends, an ancient story that is not true. Then fiction, a modern story not true. Then fact, a true story. Then mythology, stories associated with a culture. So stories associated with the different periods and different cultures of different ages. That is mythology. Then activity corner, follow the leader. All the children form a circle. One child goes out of class, the other children decide a leader. Then they have to follow the action that the leader does. It has to be quick and it should change. When the child who is the leader is not looking at the leader, the other children follow the leader. Every child gets a chance to be the leader. Okay, this is the activity corner. This we can only do this activity when you are in the class. Okay, nowadays you are staying at home and we are taking classes and sending it online, and we cannot do these activities fully. Okay, then which are the differentiate between the different types of stories? You should understand the difference between different types of stories. Which are the types of stories mentioned here? Fairy tales, then fables, legend, fiction, fact, mythology and folk tales. These are the main types of stories mentioned in this lesson. Okay, this is the end of this lesson and the notes will come to you. The most important thing is you should read the text carefully. What are the things we studied today? We understand the new words and their meanings. Then the next one, which is the next one? We made sentences about that. Then the tick the correct answer segment. Then grammar, which is the grammar portion we studied. Conjunctions, which are conjunction means connecting words or joining words. Which are the connecting words we studied here? And, but, or. Okay, and connect similar ideas, but connect dissimilar ideas, that means opposite ideas, and or is used when there is a choice of things. Okay, and, but, or. We have done the exercises. When you finish the video, when you saw the video and finish your work in the text, you take a photograph of your text, page number 30, 31 and then send it to me in the WhatsApp. Okay, today let us wind up our class and continue in the next class with a new lesson, and then thank you.